This is Dr. Greg with another episode of Emotional Wellness Minute, and today I'm focused on why our emotions are so big. So, if you're struggling with too much anxiety, anger, sadness, this video should be helpful. A lot of people think of emotions as good or bad, but what they're really designed for is to be useful, to help us respond. In a lot of ways, they're just fuel to get us motivated to react appropriately to a situation. That said, though, sometimes they're too big or too small for the situation. Our bodies learn over time how much fuel or how much emotion to give us in a situation. If it helped us, our bodies will try to respond in a similar way. So, if our bodies supply us with a lot of fuel, a lot of big emotion to respond to a situation, and we use it, our bodies will learn that's the right amount of fuel I should supply in this situation. If we start responding differently, or we use less of that emotional fuel, our bodies will learn to supply a different amount of fuel. So, the most important thing to do is respond the way you think you should respond for the situation, not necessarily the way that you feel. Over time, it'll start retraining your body. If today's episode of Emotional Wellness Minute was useful to your life, please like and subscribe.